There is a moment in every insomniac's life when you realize your body has forgotten what night means. You lie in bed, exhausted, but your mind feels wide awake. You tell yourself, I'll try again tomorrow. But tomorrow looks the same. The same race in thoughts, the same late hours, the same quiet frustration. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. Your sleep isn't broken. It's just out of rhythm. And like any rhythm, it can be found again. Tonight, I'll walk you through a gentle, step-by-step way to reset your sleep schedule. Even if you've struggled for years, we'll use calm science, not force. You won't need pills, gadgets, or harsh routines. Just consistency, awareness, and compassion for your own biology. Understanding why your schedule drifted. Before we fix your rhythm, we have to understand what moved it off balance. Your body runs on a 24-hour clock, called the circadian rhythm. It's not just about sleep, it controls everything. Hunger, hormones, temperature, even mood. At its center is a tiny cluster of neurons in the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SEN. This is your internal timekeeper. Every day, your SCN takes cues from the environment, especially light. Morning light tells it when to start the day. Darkness tells it when to end. But when your light exposure is off, when you wake late, stay inside, or stare at bright screens at midnight, your inner clock loses track of time. It's not your fault. Modern life confuses a system built for sunlight and moonlight. The goal isn't to force your body to sleep. It's to remind it what time it is. Step 1. Morning light, the natural reset button. If you only change one thing, make it this. Get natural light as soon as you can after waking. Ideally within the first 30 minutes. Step outside. Even if it's cloudy, you don't have to stare at the sun. Just let daylight hit your eyes. That light travels directly to your SEN, which resets your circadian clock and begins a 14 to 16-hour countdown to bedtime. In that moment, your body starts planning for sleep later that night. If you can, combine light with gentle movement. A walk, stretching, even standing by a window while you sip water. This tells your body, it's morning. Wake up fully. The earlier you anchor your light exposure, the easier it becomes to fall asleep naturally at night. Step 2. Regular wake time. The foundation of rhythm most people focus on when they go to bed, but the real power lies in when they wake up. Your wake-up time is the anchor of your circadian rhythm. If it keeps changing, your body never knows what to expect. Choose a realistic wake-up time, something you can keep every day, even on weekends. It doesn't have to be early, it just has to be consistent. Wake at the same time for at least 10 to 14 days. Even if your sleep the night before was short, get up, expose yourself to light. By staying consistent, you're teaching your internal clock the language of predictability. At first, you'll feel tired. This is okay. Over the next few days, your sleep drive will increase naturally, and your body will start craving sleep at the right hour again. Consistency is the medicine your rhythm has been missing. Step 3. Dimming evenings. Teach your body it's night. If light in the morning is your body's on switch, light at night is the problem. When you're surrounded by artificial brightness, your brain stays in day mode. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, can't rise properly. Your body gets stuck between awake and asleep, tired but wired. Start dimming your environment about an hour before bed. Use lamps instead of overhead lights. Switch your screens to warm mode. Or better yet, turn them off. You can listen to calm music, write a few lines in a journal, or simply move slower. These cues tell your brain the day is ending. If you need something to focus on during that hour, create a mini ritual. Maybe making tea, reading a few pages, or tidying a small space. When repeated nightly, even simple gestures become powerful circadian anchors. Step 4. Cool, quiet, and still. The environment reset your bedroom should whisper rest. Keep it dark, ideally without glowing clocks or blinking devices. Lower the temperature to around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. If you can, open a window for a minute to let in fresh air. Your body's temperature naturally drops at night. It's part of the sleep signal. When the room supports that drop, you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Noise also matters. If your surroundings are loud, use white noise or a gentle fan. It's not silence that helps you sleep. It's predictable sound, something steady your brain can ignore. And remember, your bed should be a place of rest, not frustration. If you've been awake for more than 20 minutes, get up. Sit somewhere quiet with dim light. Breathe, read, and return only when you feel sleepy again. That way, your brain relearns the association. Bed equals sleep, not struggle. Step 5. The mind reset. Ending the nightly fight. Even when you fix light and timing, insomnia often hides in the mind. It's not just the body that's restless. It's the thoughts that won't stop. The more you try to sleep, the harder it becomes. Your brain begins to link bedtime with effort and fear. The key is to replace pressure with trust. Try this mental shift. Instead of saying, "I need to sleep," say, "I'm here to rest." Rest is available immediately. Sleep will follow when it's ready. This small change lowers anxiety and allows the body to take over. If thoughts start racing, don't fight them. Just breathe slowly and imagine placing each thought on a small leaf, floating down a stream. You don't chase it, you just let it pass. The mind isn't your enemy. It's just trying to protect you by staying alert. Your job is to show it that it's safe to let go. Step 6. Patience and momentum. Resetting your sleep schedule is not a single act. It's a process of gentle repetition. Your first few days might feel uncomfortable. You may wake up groggy or fall asleep later than you hoped. That's normal. But if you keep your wake time steady, protect your light exposure, and calm your nights, your rhythm will return. It always does. Your body was designed to sleep. Every night you follow the same cues. Dim lights, steady breath, consistent timing. You're carving a new neural pathway of trust. Soon, you'll find that your body starts preparing for sleep on its own. That's the moment you'll realize it's not discipline anymore. It's rhythm. The long view. If you've lived with insomnia for years, you might feel broken, as if something inside you forgot how to rest. But sleep isn't est-ce qu'il you lose it? It's a function that waits for the right environment. Your brain doesn't need to be convinced to sleep. It just needs to stop being convinced that it's unsafe. And you can start that healing tonight. Wake up with light. Move through the day with purpose. Dim the evening. Let the night arrive slowly. One day, sooner than you think, your body will remember the rhythm, and you'll wake up not from exhaustion, but from rest. You can reset your sleep schedule, even after years of insomnia. All it takes is patience, kindness, and a little light in the morning. Good night.